Hi guys, welcome to this video about the new way how to upload your photos and videos to Google Photos. So there, in the old age there was the Picasa, then Google came up with the desktop uploader, and now they have retired it and integrated in the backup and sync of the Google Drive and a little bit extended. So this is a really bad thing. Yeah, the problem is it's not super easy. There's nothing like you just download the new version and say import the old options. It does not exist. So you have to really set up everything. You have to reconnect to your Google Drive. You have to add your folders again. You have to do everything. And Google tries to make you pay a lot for your space. So they have different options which are really careful. You have to be really careful. Otherwise, you end up either losing your data or paying a lot of money or whatever. So anyway, this is the Google page, photos.google.com apps. When you click on download, you click. There's no desktop uploader anymore. That's the backup and sync with the Google Drive. So you download, install everything, and you end up with this new menu, which has basically three things. It has the settings where you connect to your Google account. That's pretty easy. Yeah, easy. I had a little bit of problems, but it will work here probably. So then it has the connection to the Google Drive. So if you have a local replication of your Google Drive, you can click on that, and yeah, it says you what's the folder location. If you have a different location, you can change the location. If you don't need, as I have it here on this computer, I don't need a local copy on this computer, so I have unchecked this. And the most complicated thing is this side. This means my laptop, and this is basically where you have the replacement for the Google desktop uploader. The other things are just settings and Google Drive, I mean documents and so on. And here we have the things for your pictures and videos. But not only, it's a little bit mixed. So you have to be really careful that these things get not mixed up, because especially on this first part, this where it says my laptop, there you have an option. You can click on change, and then you can either backup all files and folder, or just backup photos and videos. Okay, so there's no option for only files. I think you have this in the other section. I'm not sure about this yet, but anyway, regarding photos, of course, you have to click on that backup photos and videos. That's important. When you backup everything, that means that it will be uploaded to your Google Drive, and that costs you storage. I mean, you have just 12 gigabytes usually free on Google Drive. When you have here big folders like desktop, documents, picture, everything, and I have checked everything, and you have backup all files and folders, then Google will not only backup pictures and videos, it will also backup everything, all the files and folders to Google Drive, and it will cost you a lot of space and at the end money, of course. So make sure this is only photos and videos. And this is also really important if you're working with an NAS, network attached storage. That's another huge problem. With the old desktop uploader, it was possible to use NAS really easy. It was also possible to have specific folders synced or uploaded to Google Photos, which is not possible anymore. I haven't managed to do this. There are huge restrictions here. So if you have an NAS, network attached storage, and if you are just working with the SMB1, that's the old messaging message communication system to servers, it doesn't work anymore. If you have an old, like outdated firmware with only SMB1, does not work anymore. You have to use you have to upgrade, or you have to buy a new NAS just because of Google Photos. If you have the photos there, want to upload it to Google Photos, you need SMB2. There's no workaround for this at the moment. But if you have SMB2, that's also important that you click on backup only photos and videos. If you add an NAS here, network attached storage, which has mixed things like documents and pictures, and you select everything, and you select backup all files and folders, it won't work. It won't work. So from network attached storage, only pictures and videos work. Okay, so basically just check all the video and picture folders you want to upload to Google Photos here, and check backup photos and videos here. And here, this is really important. In the version which I have downloaded, the default setting was original quality, means it is full resolution that counts against your quota. So that fills up your storage, your free storage really fast, and you end up with paying for extra storage. So if you're not a pro photographer, select this option with free unlimited storage. And I would recommend to put the option here, like ask me before removing items everywhere. You can also choose don't remove items everywhere. Yeah, I can't explain you these things. Maybe it's also a good thing. Don't remove, or just ask. You will see what he's asking. Okay, anyway, and here we come to the, yeah, here we have also an option for USB devices and SD cards. So there's an option when you plug in a camera or phone, it will back up your file. So when you check this, I haven't checked this. And this here is also a really special feature. I mean, special, special. I don't like it. I have to tell you. Look what happens when I uncheck this. Now you see the options on Google Google Photo settings. I don't know why when you check this, upload newly added photos and videos to Google Photos. When you check this option, this link disappears. Magic. I don't know why Google decided to do that, because when you click on that, you come to Google Photos settings, and here again you have again this setting. I don't know what happens if you have in the app selected high quality and here original quality. I don't know what happens, but I recommend make sure that you have on both settings same thing selected. So I have only free unlimited storage with high quality. So I think that there's no setting. What you can do, if you have a folder in the Google Drive and you want to sync photos and videos also from here, you can turn this on, but you have no selection. it will automatically then sync all the photos and videos from your drive, whatever you have there on whatever folder. It will sync everything, so probably you won't like this. I had assigned previously in the old computer, I had assigned a like a drive letter to a specific folder in the Google Drive, and then just synced this subfolder of the Google Drive, and this was working with the old desktop uploader. Here it doesn't work anymore. I have to find a new solution for that. And also, yeah, my network attached storage is not working anymore because it's SMB1. So really a lot of pain for me and probably other people. And yeah, there are online forums where people are complaining, and we all hope that Google will a little bit improve and maybe change these settings to make it a little bit more clear, more easy, understandable, and get rid of these things where yeah, they almost force you to fill up your free storage and then pay actually for nothing. So yeah, that's it. I think I've more or less covered everything. Took me 10 minutes, a little bit longer than expected, but I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.